Welcome. Today I'm going to talk about what the Moodle page looks like from the perspective of a student, and specifically how a student sees the blocks and how the student uses the blocks. What are the blocks? Well, this is the middle of the course. This is not the blocks. This is what the teacher creates to show you um, what the course consists of, and you can go into different parts there, but that's not what we're looking at. The blocks are on the side, on the left side and on the right side. Let's start with the left side and we'll go down through the blocks and show you what they can do. Okay, the first thing on the left side is the QR code, and that is a code that you can scan with your QR scanner on your mobile phone. And when you do that, you will get more information about the course. That's very useful. You've probably seen those around your town in other areas. Okay. Another thing you can do is you can see who all is participating in the course. Here we can click on that and then we can scroll down and we can see all these people who are in the course. I'm going to close that now, though. I can go back up here and go back. Okay. Right now, I can see who's online. I'm the only one online at the moment, but a few minutes ago, there were a couple other people online, and that might be useful for you if you want to communicate spontaneously with somebody. Um, and then below that are activities, and these are activities available for the students in this course. If you go, for example, to external tools, that's external because it goes to a link outside the course here. Let's click on that. And this is a link that shows you how to create video tutorials. And so if you click on that link, you can watch that. Okay, again, let's go back. Okay. You can also click on the forums. What are the forums? That's a place where students and the teacher or maybe the support team can communicate. The help desk is here. There are also announcements here. And then we go back up here and we can see that there are other things over here. There's group self-selections. That's the groups that we're creating in this course. Interesting. I don't. Also, okay, it tells you what that activity is. Okay. Then let's go to resources. That tells us what resources are available in this course. Um, this is what we have to read for this week for our homework, teamwork, 3 perspectives, and then this is what's coming up on week 4 and in week 5. Okay, let's go back though to the main page. What else do we have here? Okay, and then there's also Zoom meetings. I have to find out more about that, but oh, these are okay, so Zoom is the platform used to record the meetings, and this has the upcoming Zoom meetings. They'll be live. Zoom is live, so that has the time for next week, this Saturday, and the following week. Okay, and then let's go back. Okay, so those are all of the activities for us in this course. It also has a chart showing my completion of the course so far. I've done 37%, and when I'm done, which I hopefully will be able to do, it should be all the way to 100%. This is level up, which is very motivating because it tells us how active we are in the course. You get more points for being more active. Okay. That's all the left side. Let's go over to the right side now. In the right side of the course, we see the latest announcements. You can see how this is like a bulletin board at a school announcing things. Here, the recording of live meeting and inactive participants, in case you're wondering if you've become inactive. Very useful for me is the clock. In the clock here, if I go up to let me go up here for a second. Oh, if I go up to my own area here and set, I think it's under preferences, I can set my user preferences. I can set the time zone that I'm in, and then all the time shown on here will show my time zone so I don't miss anything. And this is the time zone of, I think, where Nellie is. And so this way I don't have to try to adjust for the time around the globe, which is very useful for an international class. Okay, and then I have upcoming events down here, week 4 and week 5, and then down here it shows my badges I have for week 1 and week 2. Yay! And you get a badge when you complete each part of the course, each week of the course in this case, and they're very motivating. So those are examples of blocks. As you can see, they're not actually the content of the course, but they're information around the course that's very useful for students. So this is from the perspective of a student. Oops. Hi, Nellie. Didn't mean to turn you on. Okay. So that's from the perspective of a student. I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you on the next one.